Hi guys. Hi everyone. Welcome back with the third. No, it's not third. The second Sudoku. I will solve a four-star Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper of Wednesday, March the 24th, 2021. The second Sudoku I will solve is a four-star Sudoku, and this one will be number 2524. All right. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one I've already counted 24 printed digits. So let's get started. All right. Let me scan the puzzle. Well, I see here in this row 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this row is the number 6. We see here 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these two boxes. So one box left for the 6 should be there. Two numbers left in this row for the numbers 7 and 5. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 5 goes there. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in the last row, so the row between. The only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between. The only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 7. How about Yeah. 4. Okay. Could be complicated. 6. Yeah, 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next. The only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Okay. Yeah. Let me see. 4. Yeah. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4, so no 4 in these two boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. So we have a 4 in this row, 4 in one of those two boxes in the last row. So in the row between, only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Then let me see 5, 8, 9. Okay. Yeah. 8, 3. Yes, in this big square we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 3. We see here 3, so no 3 in that box. Here also a 3, so no 3 in these two boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. So we have a 3 in one of those two boxes in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Okay, the 3. 5, 9. Yeah. 4. Okay. 6. 9. 1. Yes, 1 in the last column, 1 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1. Okay. 5, 5, 1, 5. 5 and 9. Okay, we have here 4 missing numbers in this column. 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 9. We have a 5 and a 9 in this big square, so no 5 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes because it's a pair. So 2 numbers left. The other pair in this column should be the numbers 8 and the 6 are missing. 8 and a 6. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 6 goes there. Alright, now we have a 6 here. We have a 6 in this row, 6 in the last row, so the row between, the only place for the 6 should be here. 6. Okay. Okay. Let me continue with the number. 3. We have a pair. The 9 and the 3 in this row. The 9 and the 3 in a row below. So in the last row, the 9 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. Alright. So what are these 3 missing numbers? The 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 1, 2, 8. 1, 2, 8. 1, 2, 8. That means 1 box left in this row. 1, 2, 8. This box should be a 5. Alright. Here we have 4, 1, and the 2 is missing. I cannot fill this yet. These 2 numbers, 5 and the 8 are missing. Well, we have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright, let me position the camera because I need to center the... Yeah. Okay. 2 is missing. 3 is missing. No. 2, 4. Yeah, the 4. 4 in this column. 4 in the last column. So the column between, the only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 3 places for the 7s will be here, or there. We see here 7, we see there 7. So no 7s in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 7. Yeah. 2 numbers left in the last column for the numbers 8 and 3. Yes, 8 and 3. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here and 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. We have here the 9 and the 5. These 2 numbers should be the 2 and the 6. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 6 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And all the Sixes are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. Alright. Alright. 2, 2, 1, 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 2, 5, and an 8. Yeah. Alright. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, and the 9. 9, 5, 1, 9, 5, 1, 9. Yeah. Complicated. I need to put some numbers. The 3. Okay. 2, 2. 4, 4. 8. 8 in this column. 8 in the middle column. No. We already have an 8 there. 8 in this row. 8 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 8 could be here, could be there. Do we have here the same? Yes. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 8 could be here, could be there. That means in this column, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row. For the numbers 1 and 2. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 1 and a 2. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. Okay. 1, 1. 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number in the first column is the 1. We see here 1, so no 1 there. Here also 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the 1 should be there. Now I have eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 2. Alright. And yeah, 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. Then Then 2 numbers left in the middle row for the numbers 9 and 5. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 5 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 5. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 9. 3 and 9. 3 and 9, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. 3 and a 9. It means here also 3 and a 9 as a pair. 9, 3 and 8. 9, 3 and 8. 4 should be here. These 2 numbers in this first column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. And the 9 is missing. 9 and a 5. 9 and a 5. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about those two numbers in the middle column? 1, the 2 is missing. 3, the 4 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first row, the 8 and the 5. Yeah, let me mark those 2 boxes, 8 and a 5. That means 5 in the first row in one of those 2 boxes. 5 in the row below, the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 3. So the 3 goes there. Yes. One box left in this big square for the number 9. 1 box left in this column for the number 9. 1 box left in this big square for the number 3. 2 boxes left in the second row for the numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4 is missing. So here we have a pair, 5 and 8. Second pair, 1 and 4. The third pair in this big square should be the 9 and the 2. 9 and 2 are missing. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in the first column. For the number 5, 5 is missing. Okay, 2 numbers left in this row. For the numbers 4 and 3. 4 and 3. 4 and 3. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 4 and 3. The other pair in this big square should be the numbers 8 and 9. Wow. 9 and 3, 1 and 2. I'm missing something. Why can I not continue? Here pair, here pair, here pair, here pair, here pair. There pair. Ah, the 2. We have a 2 here. So this box cannot be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here. So this box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 4. Now we have a 4 there. So this box cannot be 4 anymore. That box should be the 4. And this box should be a 3. Now we have a 3 there. So this box cannot be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 9. Now we have a 9 there. So this box can be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. And this box should be an 8. Now we have an 8 there. So this box can't be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 5. Finish in 17 minutes. How could that be? That this Sudoku is faster, quicker than the previous Sudoku. It's a 4-star Sudoku. And for a 4-star Sudoku, I need 30 minutes or more. Well, 17 minutes. So I'm very, very pleased with the time. So I don't think this is a 4 stars. I think it's rather a 2 stars or 3 stars. But I give this one a 2 stars. And I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, a tectonic one and a binary one. See you later. Bye bye for now.